Expand the expression, the quantity 2x minus 1, all raised to the fourth. So what we can do is refer back to Pascal's triangle and remember that we look at the fifth row of Pascal's triangle where the coefficients are 1, 4, 6, 4, and 1. And then remember that we alternate the signs. So this sign would be positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. Now that gives us the coefficients of when we expand this. Remember now that our x value is really 2x. And so what we have is 2x raised to the fourth times that coefficient of 1. Minus the 4, which is the first part of the coefficient, and then it would be 2x cubed. Then we would have 1, and that would be raised to the power of simply 1, so I won't write that, and that comes from this term. Plus, and now I'm going to erase because I need a little bit more room, but we'll recall that we have the minus 4 and the plus 1 there. So we have plus 6, and it will now be 2x squared times 1, and this time we increase the power, so it would be 2. Remember we had minus 4, and this time it'll be times 2x with a power of 1, so I won't write the actual 1, and then it would be 1 cubed. Remember that our coefficient on this last term was 1, and this time there's no 2x there because the power on it has become 0, creating that to be 1. And then our last term is 1 to the fourth. Well, we can simplify this, and let's do that. 2x to the fourth becomes 16x to the fourth. 2x cubed becomes 8x cubed. 8 times the 4 is 32x cubed. Remember, multiplying by 1 doesn't change its value. Then we have plus. Well, 2x quantity squared becomes 4x squared, and then 4 times 6 is 24x squared. Again, times the 1 doesn't change it. Minus 2x is just raised to the power of 1, so we multiply that by 4, and we get minus 8x. And again, times the 1 cubed, it remains 1. And then the last term, even though we raise 1 to the power of 4, it's just 1 times 1, which is 1. So this is the expansion of that binomial.